Hi my white family, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a local food to share with y'all. So this food is it's more like a breakfast. It's common in Nigeria, breakfast after tea. Most times if you don't have tea here in Nigeria, that is those working in Victoria Island, those of you in diaspora, if you've once worked in Victoria Island when you were in Lagos, Nigeria, you will understand what I'm trying to say. So most times the workers, everybody leave the house as early as 5:30, some 5 a.m. depend on your location to Victoria Island. So most people don't take breakfast when they leave the house. So when they get to the office, they tend to take either bread and tea, or they have this pap, akara, and a mixture, just what you want. So this is a more like a local food, a traditional food that workers in Lagos, Victoria Island take every morning. So if you want to see me how I eat this, just keep watching. You see me in the streets, I'm getting money when you see me with my girl. I'm getting money when you see me in the club. Don't act funny, we gon' stay on the ground one day at a time. Yeah, so what do I have here? I have my pap. If you want to know how I make this pap, I have a video on how to make this pap. If you want to know how to make it, they call it ogi. You can call it ogi, you can call it pap, whatever you choose to call it. So if you want to know how to make this, I'll drop the video, the link in the description section. So then this is akara. So I've not made a video on how to make this akara, so there's always a video on YouTube, so you can always check it out. Then this is my Hollandia milk. So I like mixing my pap with Hollandia milk, so I'll find it more interesting while having it. Then I have my sugar. Yeah, fine. Most people say, why do you have to mix it up with sugar? Most times I like sugar. Yeah, I love sugar. So in this pap, sometimes you can mix your pap with ginger. Yeah, sometimes ginger makes it more having this pepperish feeling. Yeah, ginger makes it have this pepperish feeling. So this is my sugar. So I'm gonna mix my sugar in here. So this is my sugar. I think this quantity is okay for me. Then this is my Hollandia milk. So you already have an opening here. So this is the Hollandia milk. So you already have an opening. This is looking so yummy, 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 yummy. Let me show you so you see it very well. Look at it, look at it, look at it. You can see those watering milk. Most people, they like using, I like when I take a little, then you have your milk. This is how most people, when they are eating this, they tend to mix the milk, everything together, but I don't like it that way. I just like the milk just flow. Sorry, I just like the milk flowing on it. This akara here goes for 10 naira per one. Wow. sugar. So that is all for my mukbang. Usually what I do is when my akara finished, I just leave the pap because I don't like taking pap alone. So this is what I have left. So obviously I'm not gonna have that, so it's gonna waste. So guys, that is all for my mukbang for today. I hope you enjoyed watching me have this breakfast, Lagosians breakfast. Yeah, we call it quick breakfast, not heavy. Most times some people said pap makes them sleep. I don't know, I've not experienced it before. The only thing that I know that makes me sleep is when I take custard. Excuse me, custard makes me sleep. So as for pap, it doesn't make me sleep, it doesn't make me weak, it doesn't make me tired. Even sometimes taking tea in the morning, depending on the quantity of the milk in it, makes me feel dizzy, makes me want to sleep, but not all the time. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next mukbang, in my next video, in my next upload. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Don't forget to share my video, turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.